Right, guys, this is another video for string isolation. So we're going to take the previous example that we made a video on with a for loop, which is what you can see here on my screen, and we're going to try and make it a bit more efficient. In other words, we're not going to wait for the loop to essentially cycle through every single letter, since we only know that we need to find this character. So let's take a look at how we would do this. So I'm going to copy some of this stuff, okay? And then I'm just going to go to a new blank page and continue from there. So here we go. The only difference is I'm going to add one more integer variable called I, which will act as a loop counter, or sorry, something that will be used by my string manipulator in order to move through every single character. Now, instead of using a for loop, we're going to use a precondition loop, a while loop. Okay, and in this situation, we need to say that I will be equal to 1 to start off with. Okay, like so. So let's start off with our counter. So we'll start with a counter that says while mid of of our string. What's our string? Our string is called user details. So while mid of user details at position I, take one character, okay, while it's not the plus symbol, okay, then do whatever we want after. So essentially we're going to do what we did before. We're going to say that, okay, that we're going to store the first character in the username variable. So we're going to say user is user plus mid of the string that we were just looking at. Like so. And then we're going to say count is count plus 1. And then we're going to do I is I plus 1, like so. And from here, we can say end while. Now, all that's left to do from here is whatever we did before. So we'll say that this will still stand. There we go. The password is the right of essentially whatever's left without the plus symbol. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, so this will only cycle through until we find this plus symbol. Now, the same thing can be done with a repeat loop or a while loop. It doesn't matter. You don't really need a flag to do this. It should work regardless. Now, the tricky part is understanding and making sure that you understand this part. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. This one was a quickie. Catch you in the next one.